What's good, everybody? This is Hyphy, and today I want to show you how you can withdraw your BeatStars funds. Before you get to withdraw your fund, before you get to use this button, they will ask you to submit your tax form. So if you're living in US, you'll be able to submit your tax form. They will charge you the normal rate. But if you're living outside US, you'll be charged at 30%. If your country doesn't have a tax treaty between US and your country. I'm going to be showing you a next scene of this tutorial where I showed how to fill the form, because I had to film this video in two different scenes just to show you this process. And kindly subscribe, drop a like, comment if this video is going to be helpful for you, because I'm trying to get monetized on YouTube. You're meant to go to your finance payment account. If you want to resubmit a new tax form, I'm going to click complete the tax form here. Yours, you won't have this notice here. You'll have maybe starting from this part here. US federal tax law requires US to collect tax information through IRS. Basically, they're trying to let you understand why they have to know if you're a US based person or not. So as you indicated that you are not a US person, please complete the form. I'm an individual. Continue. Verification of no US activities. I'm not yet. How many times do you want to ask me this? I hereby certify and acknowledge that during the time of agreement, I provide services excluded from. Yes, I provide services from within. No. If any of the services performed within United States. No, I didn't provide my services within United States, bro. So there you write your name. My name is. I'm not gonna submit this form. If I submit it, then I've done something crazy to myself. Huh? Oh, okay, not yet. So, payment address, you put your address, city, postcode, and all the other things. To claim treaty benefits. Treaty benefits are like a way that a country and another one agrees that they are going to lower tax and have an agreement for their tax payment within their citizens and stuff. So to claim treaty benefits, please provide your US taxpayer identification number and or foreign tax identification number. But I do not have any treaty between Nigeria and US, obviously. So I'm just going to go. I will not, or I'm unable to provide tax ID number. Please note that because you have chosen not to provide tax, you may be subject to 30% withholding on payment. So I talked more on this in the original video that I filmed all this. So you're going to be paying 30% in tax before you even get your money to PayPal. Now let's continue. And then this is where you review your form and all your submission. Then I'm guessing when you continue again, then they repeat themselves again about 30% is going to be held away from you, blah, blah, blah. So this is the last scene. And basically what they're saying here is just to make sure you are triple checking, or at this point it's quadruple checking, that you are not a US citizen and you are going to be given 30% of your profit as tax and all those other things. If you are a US citizen, the fields you will be seeing on your screen right now should be different from mine. Just make sure you're double checking and it's corresponding to what you filled already. That's the point of this section. So let me go and check mine here. I'm the individual that is beneficial owner. Yes, I am. The person named on line 1 of this form is not a US person. Yes. The income to which this form relates is not affected, connected. Yes. So they will have you fill everything and then you submit it, and that will be it. The summary of everything so far is that US government, not BeatStars, is going to be charging 30% of your profits as tax, unless you have a proper registered business in US and then you've done your taxes well with a proper lawyer, or if your country and US has done a treaty, you can put that in. Other than that, you just have to like go through the normal route like everybody else. Once you do that, this is the next thing to withdraw your fund. Once you click on withdraw here, oh yeah, I have the video of me doing this. I don't have any fund to withdraw right now. I'm just going to talk through what I recorded at the point. Clicked on withdraw, then put it's already linked to your PayPal address. Then you click the amount you want to withdraw. And once you do that, Then you click on continue. Then you see the total calculation of your funds after they've taken away your tax. Now, if you're receiving your money with PayPal, they're going to charge you a fee. I think mine is $1 because the amount I'm withdrawing is quite small. If I'm withdrawing $100, probably it's going to be more than $1 because I know PayPal charges me a lot. Like they charge me like $5 for every $100 I withdraw, so something like that, just for like their fee for withdrawing before I even withdraw to my own bank account again. So let's say the list of the charges will be $1. Out of this $1, then you have $2.8 remaining. From that $2.8 is what this withholding W8 band thing will now charge you. So they will now charge you like 30%. 30% of $2.8 is 84 cents. So I've done the math. If you want to verify, go ahead, but you don't need to waste your time. I've done the math. So the summary of what I just said is that when PayPal takes away their fee from the money you want to withdraw, then the withholding will be 30% of the remainder after PayPal's fee. Then you will receive your money afterwards. So in summary, I withdrew $3.8, then I received $1.96. So you can see the taxes and the fees are kind of much. So I would advise you to accumulate your money in bulk. Wait till you make like $200 and then hopefully you make up to like $150 out of it. I don't know. So I just thought someone should know this if they are new, if they are beginning. It's not something every distribution service put out there. And DistroKid put it out there once and people thought that DistroKid is a scam, but really it's just US government policy. So just beg your US folks to vote for the government that won't really hurt their taxes. I don't really know about US politics, but I'm just kidding. I make tutorial videos like this or helpful videos like this in general every Monday. If there's something you would like to see more, consider subscribing and check out my other BeatStars videos. We might be opposed, we not dying down today. From south to north pole, we ride a wave of love, chasing all the hate away.